Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. Let's make it a great night, folks. Love is unconditional. In love, there are no conditions. You love for no reason with no justification. You are free to be what you are, and you allow others to be what they are. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We had the Dow Industrials down 36, NASDAQ off 18, S&P's flat. That's quite a market, folks, for a market that started out the day down 12 S&P points. Gold contract up $19, trading at $12.81 an ounce. Silver up 50 cents, $16.89 an ounce. Platinum up $2, $9.74 an ounce. Copper down a penny and a half at $2.92 a pound. Light sweet crude up 38 cents, $49.55 a barrel. Notes, 10-year note up 8 ticks, 126.08. 30-year bond up 27 ticks, 154.18. King dollar down 90 ticks, 93.425. The euro's trading at 117 to the US dollar. The yen is at 110 to the US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? You get an S&P, a SPY that went down to 246. You did 58 million shares. It rejected lower price. Guess what? We're going to go test 248 once again. Yesterday, you tested 248. You did it with 61 million shares. Going into 70, you failed on price and volume. Today, what you did, the same, you're talking the same bar here. This is what's pretty amazing, folks. So the top of the bar on the 27th was 248. The bottom of that bar is 245.68. We went to 246.06 today. You did 58 million shares, so now you're going down on light volume, rejected price. Guess what? Another test is coming up, 248. NDX 100, same setup. NDX 100 failed on price and volume yesterday. You were going into the 2nd of August. That's 144.52. You got over that price, and we did it over with 30 million versus 41. What we did here today, you got down to the bottom of it. It rejected it. It's going to go after it again tomorrow, 144.52. Gold contract. What we have with the gold contract is this. Gold contract takes out a B point, takes it out with volume. We did 277,000 contracts versus 214. It's a big ABC structure on the way up. It's approximately 1325. So we get some action in that market. We're going to take a look at silver. Now, silver is not a confirmed ABC structure up yet, but silver is pushing its B point, and you're pushing it with volume. Silver market today did 13,000 contracts. That little baby is going into 8,000. If we actually do go look at the SLV, which is the ETF, what you'll see, the SLV actually is an ABC structure on the way up. It did the B point up here in the SLV is $15.96. It had 5.6 million shares traded. We did 12.5 million. So your A point on this SLV is 14.44. Your B point is 15.96. So it's basically $1.50. Your C point is 15.27. So we're talking 16.95, and 16.80 is your swing point from the 6th of June. I expect that's where we're going to be making a run for. Notes, the 10-year note out here traded 1.2 million contracts. We have the volume as we pushed into the 1.3 million and 1 million. This is still going to need more. Basically, it looks like it's going to need more cause, but it wants to get up and over this area. We've been trying to get up and over this area since we hit it on the 21st of June. 10-year wants to run to its high volume swing high of 127.08. And right now, if we take a look at the 10-year rate, you are right now at 2.2. So you still get a decent 10-year rate happening. 30-year bond did the exact same thing. 30-year out here, excuse me, folks, did 243,000 contracts, got to a price point of 155.08. You're closing out here at 154.18. That also is pushing in with some decent volume. Last time we were up here, you did 246,000 contracts. We did 243, as well as last time up here, 218. So you can see you are pushing in there with volume. Now, here's going to be where it's going to get a little bit tricky. And it's good old King Dollar. And the tricky part here is in between the aspect of what King Dollar wants to do and what gold wants to do. So gold is a confirmed ABC structure on the way up. King Dollar got to a price point today out here of 93,785. Now, King Dollar had come off the lows last Friday, and it had the price spread, had the volume after getting smoked. Got over the 93,640 today, closed under it. I expect what you're going to see here is that King Dollar is going to have to build more cars in order to get up to this 95 and 96 area. What's going to be intriguing here is to see that, okay, will it catch a bid? Can it catch a bid? And then the aspect of, is the gold contract going to do a complex ABC? And what a complex ABC would be is that you pull back, you're going to pull back with lighter volume under the B point again, and then you make the run for it again. The way that the market is trading out here, I expect that that's what we're going to probably see tomorrow, because it looks to me like the S&P and the NASDAQ, they want to go test the highs tomorrow. And you got to remember, in the summer, we get Monday, Friday with light volume. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, you got some action. So the way that this market traded out here today, I expect what you're going to see is that if the S&P is going to go for the highs again, the NASDAQ's going to go for highs again, more than likely we're going to have the dollar move higher, and more than likely you're going to see gold and silver probably pull back slightly. And you got to remember, in that market, as you're pulling back, going into a Friday can be a problem. You stay right there, folks, and we come right back. Dow Industrials closed down 36, NASDAQ down 18, S&Ps were flat. We're going to be right back.